For 22 years, I owned and operated an agency. I lived through recessions, platform shifts, changing client expectations, constant margin pressure, and more talent shifts and pivots than I can count. Every few years, something seemed to come along that forced me to rethink how we created value. AI feels different, not because it's going to replace agencies overnight, but because it's changing how clients think. Over the last few months, I have had multiple conversations with a lot of agency owners across the country, and I am seeing two different reactions. Some are excited. They are genuinely finding new ways to improve efficiency, expand capabilities, and create whole new opportunities. Others are quietly experiencing what I can only describe as an existential crisis. They're wondering, what happens if clients can do more for themselves? What happens if the services that we've built our whole agency around become easier to replace? What happens if execution just becomes a commodity? Those are real questions. And I don't think pretending that they're not happening helps anyone. What if the goal isn't becoming an AI-proof agency? What if the goal is becoming more adaptable, more strategic, more valuable because of the changes ahead? That is the conversation that I want to have. So I am hosting a small virtual roundtable just for agency owners who are navigating this AI disruption, pricing pressures, positioning shifts, and operational change. We'll talk about what's changing, what's working, what's not, and where agency owners are finding real opportunity amidst the uncertainty. So everyone who registers, I'm also going to send you over a copy of the Agency Growth Stack Field Guide that I put together and an Agency Resilience Self-Assessment so you can take a look at yourself. So if you're an agency founder wrestling with these questions, I would love to have you join us. The link is right below in the first comment. I look forward to seeing you there.